Hello and welcome to the Banker channel, where we take you through various topics regarding the introduction to banking and financial markets. Centuries ago, barter was the only mode of exchange for goods and services. And then came commodity money, which is gold, followed by fiat money, which is currency, and then the M1, M2, and M3 measure of money. Rapid industrialization and the exponential increase in business and trade resulted in the need for businesses and governments to raise more capital to sustain their growth. Simultaneously, the increase in international trade, which is exports and imports between countries, meant increased cross-border flow of goods and services, and therefore the need for cross-currency transactions and exchange rates between currencies. Banks and financial markets evolved in this ecosystem primarily to channelize money from those who have it, also known as savers and investors, to those who need it, also known as borrowers, and to facilitate cross-border flow of funds through exchange of currencies. That ecosystem of banks and financial markets, including central banks, has deepened in size, sophistication, and complexity over the years. Consequently, the benefits of a robust ecosystem of banking and financial markets, facilitated and overseen by a strong central bank, are real and visible in most countries. However, they have also been the subject of abuse, failures, and economic distress in several countries with a contagion effect on the rest of the world. In this channel, you will learn about the theory and concepts underlying banking and financial markets, the products and instruments that are offered by banks and financial markets to meet the financial needs of individual, businesses, and governments, the underlying market mechanisms and how financial instruments are traded, that is, bought and sold, and also innovations and new technologies. So please do subscribe, like, and comment down below. We will post more interesting and useful videos in future. Keep in touch and thank you for watching.